Well, good morning again. It's Anthony Benici here for another Brain Blinkers bullet point. Well, you can always rely on the world of sport to come up with some amazing stories about not only perseverance and will to win, but belief that you can. And it's the world of soccer or football, the world sport, that has once again brought it to our attention. I'm a Liverpool fan, so yesterday I was very excited about the fact that Liverpool came from behind to beat arguably the world's best team, Barcelona. They were 3-0 down in the first leg. So Barcelona were ahead 3-0, and at home they had to win 4-0. Liverpool had to beat them 4-0, and that's exactly what they did. So that was incredible news in the Champions League yesterday. But now in Australia here, we've woken up to the news that Tottenham Hotspurs have done the same thing against Ajax, a Dutch team. A very similar thing where they were 1-0 down in the first leg. In the second leg, the last game, they were down 2-0, so a total aggregate of 3-0 behind. And in the last 40 minutes of play, including a spectacular last 5 seconds, Tottenham Hotspurs scored 3 away goals to win and get through to the final against Liverpool, which will be very soon. So I know if you're not a football fan, you might think, oh yes, so what? Well, for both of those teams, it demonstrated unbelievable focus on the result. Never saying die, never giving up, and ultimately believing that it was possible despite what everyone else would say, including the commentators right throughout at the 50-minute mark, at the 60-minute mark, saying, oh, well, it's all over, 3 goals deficit, but for both teams. And for them to come from behind and do such amazing things, it's really important for us to know that on a day-to-day basis. I mean, I turned 48 today, woke up, and we're having a beautiful day here in Sydney, and I'm just so happy that I can focus on the things I want to do, never say die, never give up on what I want to achieve. And it gives us a good reason for being. I hope you're experiencing that today too. Have a great day. Speak to you again soon.